Hello, my name is Gary Weiss. I just wanted to take a minute to tell you about this book called The Art of Woodworking. You know, woodworking has been something that's been a part of our lives since the beginning of time. And I just really appreciate being able to work with wood. And I started very young. I started when I was in junior high school, and I was cutting things. Well, I wasn't allowed to cut things. The instructor for that class had to cut it. And he, of course, gave us the pieces. You can do anything from birdhouses to this bed frame that I had to repair. It showed up broken, so I had to go get the parts. And the drawer that you saw, that was in my apartment, and the landlord wouldn't fix it. So your imagination is your limit. I mean, you can do anything you can imagine. For me, I really enjoy doing things like this sauna, and I would, my main focus is the airplanes. I thoroughly get off on that. I have 2 projects that I've done myself. Not this one. This one belongs to someone else. But my triplane, I started building that when I was going to college in Iowa. Or no, sorry, not Iowa, but Washington. And this one I bought and then restored. It was Spitz Playboy. But at any rate, get your copy of The Art of Woodworking. It says right there on the cover, you have 40 step-by-step plans available inside the book, and it's 100% free. It is an ebook, so you can download it, but it takes a very large space. Thanks for watching.